Tired of dealing with return shipping hassles? Let's explore how to potentially snag a Temu refund without even sending the item back. First, open your Temu app and navigate to your order history. Locate the specific order containing the item you're having an issue with. Once you've found the order, look for a button that says either Request Refund or Contact Support. The wording may vary slightly. Click on it. You'll likely be presented with a few pre-selected options to describe your issue. Select the one that best fits your situation. This could be anything from item damage to incorrect item received, or even significantly not as described. Now comes the important part: providing evidence. Take clear, well-lit photos or even a short video showcasing the damage, defect, or discrepancy. This dramatically increases your chances of a no-return refund. In the text box, clearly and concisely explain the problem. Be polite but firm, and reference the photos or video you've attached. State that you're seeking a refund and would prefer to avoid a return if possible, given the item's condition or inaccuracy. Be patient. Temu customer support will review your request. If your evidence is compelling and your reason aligns with their policies, they may grant you a refund without requiring you to ship the item back. Keep an eye on your email for updates.